Namaste, myself JVN Professor K.K. Chaudhary, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Subject Animal Physiology and Endocrinology, and today we will discuss about the nephron. We have already discussed about the kidney, and the nephron are the functional unit of the kidneys. Each nephron consists of two parts: renal corpuscle, where blood plasma is filtered, and a renal tubule into which filtered fluid passes. This is the main thing you have to noted here कि टू पार्ट्स होते हैं नेफ्रॉन के, रीनल कार्पसल जहाँ पे ब्लड प्लाज्मा फिल्टर होती है, रीनल ट्यूब्यूल जिसमें से फिल्टर्ड फ्लूइड पास होता है. दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द नेफ्रॉन. ठीक है. द टू कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ ए रीनल कार्पसल्स आर द ग्लोमेरुलस एंड द ग्लोमेरुलस कैप्सूल. ठीक है. ए डबल वॉल्ड epithelial cup that surround the glomerular capillaries. Blood plasma is filtered into glomerular capsule, and then the filtered fluid passes into the renal tubule, which has three main sections. In order that fluid passes through them, the renal tubule consists of first proximal convoluted tubule, जिसको आप PCT कह सकते हो, loop of Henle, and third distal convoluted tubule. You can see clearly into the figure. DCT. Proximal denotes the part of the tubule attached to the glomerular capsule. जो glomerular capsule के नज़दीक होगा उसको हमने proximal बोला है, and distal denote the part that is farther away, जो दूर. Convoluted means tubule is highly coiled rather than straight. The renal corpuscle and both convoluted tubule lie within the renal cortex. The loop of Henle extend into the renal medulla, make a hairpin turn, and that return to the renal cortex. And the distal convoluted tubule of several nephrons empty into a single collecting duct. The collecting ducts then unite and converge into several hundred large papillary ducts which drain into the minor calyces. The collecting duct and papillary duct extend from the renal cortex through the renal medulla to the renal pelvis. So, one kidney has about 1 million nephron, but a much smaller number of collecting ducts and even fewer papillary ducts. ठीक है. 1 million nephrons होते हैं. In a nephron, the loop of Henle connect the proximal and distal convoluted tubule. दोनों को कौन जोड़ता है? Loop of Henle. It then make the hairpin turn and return to the renal cortex as the ascending limb of the loop of Henle. ठीक है. About 80 to 85% of the nephrons are cortical nephrons. Their renal corpuscle lie in the outer portion of the renal cortex, and they have short loop of Henle that lie mainly in the cortex and penetrate only into the outer region of the renal medulla. The short loops of Henle receive their blood supply from peritubular capillaries that arise from efferent arterioles. The other 15 to 20% of the nephrons are juxtamedullary nephrons. Juxtamedullary nephrons. Their renal corpuscle lie deep in the cortex. अब इन जो कॉर्टिकल नेफ्रॉन्स था उनका डीप नहीं था, लेकिन इनका रेनल कार्पसल कॉर्टेक्स के अंदर डीप सीटेड है, क्लोज टू द मेडुला, एंड दे हैव ए लॉन्ग लूप ऑफ हेनले दैट एक्सटेंड इनटू द deepest region of the medulla. The long loop of Henle receive their blood supply from peritubular capillaries and from the vasa recta that arise from efferent arteries. In addition, the ascending limb of loop of Henle of juxtamedullary nephron consists of two portions, thin ascending limb followed by a thick ascending limb. Though thin or thick ascending limb, the lumen of thin ascending limb is same as in other area of the renal tubule. It is only the epithelium that is thinner. Nephron with long loop of Henle enables the kidney to excrete very dilute या very concentrated urine. ठीक है. This is all about the structure of the nephron, and this session is powered by digital version 2 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you. Thank you very much.